The 2025 Audi A5 sets a new benchmark for performance and innovation in the luxury sports sedan segment. This latest model is designed to deliver exhilarating driving dynamics while incorporating cutting-edge technology and luxurious comfort. Under the hood, the new S5 features a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that produces an impressive 362 horsepower. This powerhouse sends power to all four wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox, a first for the S5. The renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system is enhanced with a Quattro Sport differential, providing superior torque vectoring for precise handling and stability in all driving conditions. Audi's commitment to performance extends beyond the powertrain. The S5 benefits from extensive refinements to its suspension and steering systems, ensuring a responsive and engaging driving experience. Adaptive dampers are available, allowing drivers to tailor the ride quality to their preferences, whether for sporty driving or comfortable cruising. The exterior design of the S5 is both aggressive and elegant. A wide grille and massive air intakes dominate the front fascia, while sleek LED daytime running lights and second-generation OLED taillights add a modern touch. The car's athletic stance is further emphasized by its sculpted lines and dynamic proportions. Inside, the S5 is a showcase of Audi's luxury and technology. The cabin features a human-centric design philosophy, prioritizing comfort and ease of use. The digital stage setup includes an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit screen and a 14.5-inch MMI touch display, providing drivers with essential information and entertainment at their fingertips. An optional 10.9-inch display is available for passengers, enhancing the overall in-car experience. The S5 comes standard with a tinted panoramic sunroof, flooding the cabin with natural light and enhancing the sense of space. Higher trims offer a dimmable electrochromic roof, adjustable in 6 segments for personalized comfort. Audi has also paid close attention to the interior materials and layout, creating a sense of space and luxury. The longer wheelbase provides ample legroom, while the raked rear profile ensures decent headroom for rear passengers. With its blend of high performance, innovative technology, and luxurious comfort, the 2025 Audi S5 is set to captivate driving enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike. The S5 will be available in the United States in spring-summer 2025, with pricing and additional details to be announced soon.
Today I'm proud to present the all-new Audi S5 R1 and A5 sedan. Turn the lights on. I'm Luisa from Product Marketing team, and I'm really proud to present these two beauties together with my colleagues from Exterior Design Jakob and Interior Design team Matthijs. The next generation A5 is a complete new car. It is the first model based on Audi's new Premium Platform Combustion, short PPC. Using the PPC brings several advantages. The model gets more roominess in the passenger cabin, especially in the second seating row. Additionally, the new A5 is the first combustion engine model based on Audi's new electronic architecture. The product substance grows beyond today's A4 in standard and optional equipment. Consequently, this leads to renaming A4 into A5. And these bigger dimensions are also the perfect baseline for the sporty and athletic exterior design. So let's talk to our exterior design colleague for more details on this beauty. Jakob.
Exactly, Luisa. The Audi A5 and S5 models represent the sporty essence of our design DNA. Let's turn the car into the side and I'll explain you what I mean by that. A long wheelbase, huge wheels and a long bonnet, flared fenders and sculpted listers represent Quattro in its purest form. You get a really shallow greenhouse that sits far back on the body and shows dynamism already when the car is standing. cleanly integrated details like door handles and sensors blend nicely into the clean and minimalist design. On the Avant, this really inclined seat post stands in a super nice contrast with these bulging rear fenders and make the car stand really dynamic and bold on the road. Let's have a look at the face now. We have a complete new front architecture with a really low and wide honeycomb grille. It's flanked by very slim and precisely designed headlights. The rear end is also very dynamic. This sharp edge pronounces the width of the car, makes it look planted and looks really progressive together with the rear tail light band. Coming down to the diffuser, we have a really sculpted S-specific diffuser that looks high quality and also contains genuine tailpipes. Lighting is a really important aspect of our design. The Audi A5 and S5 feature new digital lighting technologies, such as the digital OLED rear lights with a full-width LED light stripe. With the active digital light signature, the car magically comes alive. You can see how it starts breathing digitally. We call it aesthetics in motion, and it's our way to show Vorsprung durch Technik.
Correct, Jakob. With Matrix LED headlights and the next generation digital OLED taillights, the new A5 enables communication light that communicates with other cars, for instance in warning situations. Coming from exterior, let us now have a closer look into the interior. Who could better do this than Matthijs?
Thank you, Louisa. Our new interior design philosophy becomes visible inside of the car. Let's take a look together.
Okay.
The interior is, more than ever, tailored to the needs of our customer, both driver and passenger. The digital stage is a very good example of this approach. Within perfect reach of the driver, you will find our masterpiece, the curved Audi MMI panoramic display. OLED technology at your fingertips. Now that's fantastic. It's so thin, it seems to float, especially at night.
Wow.
The digital stage extends towards the passenger side, and there you find the nicely integrated MMI passenger display.
And thanks to the active privacy mode, I can even watch a video while driving without distracting you. Isn't that cool?
It's fantastic.
Further highlights are on offer. A new generation head-up display with an 85% bigger field of view and 4 more functions that you can configure individually. And not to forget our new Audi Assistant that brings voice control to the next level.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Okay.
Hey Audi, bring us to the Frankfurt airport.
Frankfurt International Airport in Frankfurt. I'll start route guidance.
I have one more thing. Let's get out of the car for this. Besides the A5 Avant here in the S version, we would like to present another derivative within the new A5 family. We have brought a A5 sedan as edition 1. It will be available from market stored with an exclusive exterior color and exclusive exterior parts. Therefore, I'd like to hand over again to Jakob.
Yeah, absolutely, Luisa. The sedan is my absolute highlight of the A5 family, with this long stretched roof bar, the really fast seat post, very short deck lid, and despite the really coupe-shaped silhouette, it offers high functionality due to this big tailgate, so blending function with style.
Good job, Jakob. Absolutely in love with these models. I'm really looking forward bringing them on the road.
There was this strong idea in my head. Before I even put the first sketch on paper, I had this vision of the car. I started my first sketches, did the proposals, a couple of views, presented, got selected for model. We were competing with each other for a couple of months. And bit by bit, along the way, my model remained as a contender. It was like more than a year after that the model was finally selected. That was probably the best day in my life, in my professional life for sure. That my original sketch, the work that was done all along, was finally selected to go into production. This was a big moment for me. We always had this working title in mind, Sedan 2.0, because we did want to make a big leap, right? We wanted to make it look absolutely new, to look different than the predecessor. And we did this by giving it this curved roof shape. It's inspired by TT, inspired by other Audis of the past. Heritage in our design DNA is very important. So this is the key aspect. And this brings you into a rear end where the trunk lid is rather short. You have a coupe-shaped roof line. And this gives a really nice silhouette, but with a short deck lid would not be too practical. So actually, then incorporating a long deck lid, a long trunk that opens all the way up with a window, is a total highlight that even for me as a designer offers this cool blend into functionality and style at the same time. As a whole, it's really something new. These are some of the views of the sketches of this car. You can clearly see the front sitting really low. It's this kind of down road graphics that make it look powerful and confident at the same time. It's showing how strong the Quattro blisters are on this car. They really are part of the volume. It's something that grows out of the body like real muscle. That gives the car a really strong three-dimensional feel and a very athletic stance. We have the single frame grille, but that has a new proportion, so it's the really low and wide honeycomb grille. We have deliberately squeezed it in this direction to give it a new presence, a new sporty look. Headlights that stretch from the single frame grille are really slim. We have incorporated all the functions and made it really slim, elegant. We have integrated door handles. First time on a combustion engine car. We have a really clean side thanks to that. We have a sculpted rear where the spoiler stands very upright and forms with the deck lid, forms a really sharp contrast. And this, in such a nice way, is integrated with the rear light. And I think it looks stunning when you drive behind and you see this stripe and the digital OLED graphics. It has such a bold attitude. I really look forward to see the car on the road. There's a line that comes from the single frame grille, runs through the headlight, sharp edge, running over the side, taking the door handles, running all over the rear into the rear light stripe. Basically, it's an equator. And that sort of splits light and shadow, giving it this punch, this extreme, sporty, athletic attitude. It's always been my biggest dream as a designer, even before becoming a designer, to do a car that's becoming a production car. And to do that sketch and to get it through to production is the biggest gratification you can have as a designer. No more wish in life after this in some way.